Hi, welcome to Med Quarters. It's been 4 months that I've been away from school. Surprising, right? Yes, my school had an internal issue between the school management and the college, and we've been out of school for about 4 months, and I'm back now to give you all of the gist of what I've been up to while I was on break. Let's go. At first, I thought the strike would be only for 2 weeks. So I was eager. I packed my bags, just a few clothes, my necessary stuff at home. I was excited. I mean, who does not want a break after 4 months? Finally, it's period of rest because I've been exposed since January and the strike started ending of July. It's been 7 months of rigorous work, and I was eager to leave school and get some rest. I packed a few clothes in my bag just for 2 weeks. I plan to spend 2 weeks. I didn't know that we are going to spend 4 whole months at home, and it was crazy. It was draining. It was fulfilling. It was a lot. I attended the program. I was excited because I've been looking forward to it. I already zero my mind that medical schools allow me to be there. I grabbed the opportunity and off I went. On getting home, my 2 weeks window have passed, and I was just like, hmm, what next? I was like, okay, after 2 more weeks, the strike should be off. Units of permutation and combination only to be disappointed. Those periods, I listed some part of my life I needed to work on, talk of personal development, right? I read books. I started a course on content marketing. I rested a lot. I slept a lot. I ate a lot. And I got chubbier. That they don't mean that time is wasting, and I'm not getting younger anymore. So there was pressure. Depression was almost going to set in. I'm not going to lie to you. Others are moving on with their lives, and I was forgetting the fact that I'm still a student who has about 3 more years to go. I told my friend that, girl, I think I'm going to learn barbing. She encouraged me. She was shocked at first, but later encouraged me. Then I I I did the thoughts. It was a few weeks after she reminded me that, oh baby girl, don't you think it's time to start? Because we're all hoping that my next week the strike will be over. Then there's next week, there's another one, and the strike was just there. So I told my mom and my siblings about it. At first, they were like, out of all vocational skills, Babin, are you alright? Not like, are you alright in that sense, but parents, they want the best for you and they are protective of you. Later on, they supported me. I packed my bags. I was ready to leave. That point initially, I was ready to leave for school, that I'll find a training center at school and start my training there. Lo and behold, I don't know, God has his own plans. My phone got bad. Spot. You're planning to travel tomorrow, your phone got bad today, and you just got it. It was not reasonable at that point in time. It's still under warranty. I had to pack it, return it to the store, and the store said it takes give or take 2 weeks. And there was a rumor that the strike would be called off soon, but I didn't want to stay idle even till the point the strike would be called off. I packed my bags, went to that same city I got the phone, then I started life. Nobody tells you how difficult it is to live without phone or internet for about 10 days. It was semi impossible at first, but I did it. So you can. I'm not saying your phone will spoil. I'm just saying that it's actually possible to live without the internet. I was only surviving on my laptop. I connect to somebody else's hotspot once in a while to check for updates, because every one of us, majority of us, use WhatsApp as our lifeline of information. Any updates, gists, whatsoever, use WhatsApp. So I check WhatsApp maybe once in 2 or 3 days, as time or chances permitted me to use somebody else's spot. And that was how it went for 10 days. Also, nobody talk about the part of when you are not really active online. A lot of people forget you so soon. And it's it's part of my relation we need to work better at. A few people left messages for me that they've not been seeing me online and also some tried to call me, but I didn't even have a phone to insert my SIM card, so I was not reachable at the point. Then it was when I came back that I started maybe posting on my status again. Then people started noticing that, oh, we've not even seen you in a while. That shouldn't be, especially people that are close to you. Be intentional about them. Reach out, reach out to their friends. But I was thinking that if it were me, I would have reached out to someone close to them that I know that is everything okay with this person. So I didn't get the same energy back, and it's okay. I started at the barber shop. First, it looked all strange, but later on enjoyable. I'm the only female in that shop. We were two apprentices, and my boss was a very cool one. I just thank God that he orchestrated that training center for me. It was beautiful all through. There were stressful days, the days you'd be sent to buy fuel, the day you'd be sent on errands, cleaning, and all of that. But I enjoyed it because it's something mind blowing that you come in with so much air, then you are going out with some carved air lineups that is crisp. It's beautiful, it's mind blowing. Then I found some connection with Barbing and medicine. I get to stand for hours, but to not to bust your but speak to us, trained me to stand for hours, so it wasn't a big deal. You prep the work area. I had rotated junior surgery posts, so the head and neck for people who have beards in our work area. Similarities like that, it made it more fun. I interconnected it with medical life. Then the clipper sharps. So you have to sterilize it just as how you sterilize your surgical equipment, right? You get the drill. Also, I met amazing people, amazing customers. Some are indifferent, some they found it mysterious. Like, what are you doing here? Some were conversational. They took it up that we told her, oh, what inspired you? Why a barber shop? Why this skill? And for some, they were rude. No, a woman cannot do this. A woman cannot do that. Such a stereotype that, and some biases that should not even be existing in this century of ours. But I survived all of it. I attended a few conferences. I met amazing people. I networked, and I'm richer in my network now. Oh, great to God who orchestrated my step. A few lessons you should pick from my story is that delay is not a denial. The day this strike was going to be called off, none of us saw it come. Your dream might not necessarily make sense to other people. But I chose barbing. I can't keep explaining myself except for people who really wants to know. And from this place of biases and stereotypes that they are coming from. Once it makes sense to you and God is leading you, just go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Lastly, you should maximize every moment, maximize every period. Because it seemed like it was 4 months of time wasted, but in some respects, it was 4 months of reflection, of growth, of my eyes getting opened to possibilities. Perspective matters a lot in when we are in our waiting seasons. It is very important to wait upon God. Like, wait together with God by your side. But if not, your brain and your mind might be working against the situation, and you might fall into depression, which is not good for you. Thank you very much for watching this video to this point. And yes, I have resumed the expecting content around medical school from now on. And don't forget, I'm still here to answer your questions from the first to fourth year. Big announcement is coming soon. Stay tuned, subscribe, and share this video with people you think might need it. Bye!